this is my sister, Olivia. And today we will be experimenting with Orbeez. Remember, whenever you're doing a science experiment, safety first. For those of you that don't know, Orbeez are super-absorbent polymers. They absorb water and grow multiple times their size. For this experiment, we need Orbeez and water, and soon many other things. Now it is time to follow directions! Orbeez in water and wait. Wait. Yeah, I want to touch them. In the water, I just want to see if they're already developing.
Later.
These are the Orbeez after 5 hours. They got bigger. Yeah, last time I saw them, they were like that small. My favorite color is this one, and the white ones because they're rare. And
I like these three and this dark blue.
Now let's experiment on them. Let's find out if Orbeez like heat. What? No! Some got out. We're making some fried Orbeez here. As the water boils, they're popping open. Let's see what happens when you freeze them.
They have like an ice shell around them.
Who's you?